The world is imploding. Well, the investment world is imploding apparently. The CPI numbers, which have been just published by the Bureau of Labor Statistics in the US, have come in and it doesn't look very good at all. 8.3% year-over-year inflation in the US. Yikes, that hurts, and it has sure brought down pretty much everything. You see tech down, you see financials down, you see retail down, everybody's down. Everything is crashing right now, except for the dollar, because people are naturally liquidating their positions and they're keeping cash, which is funny when you think about inflation being the dollar being worth less and less. So what's an investor / speculator to do at a time like this? Well, it depends on whether you're positioned or not, and whether you can find bargains in the market, and where you believe we are in the cycle of your thesis. My belief is that energy is still a problem that will take quite a bit of time to unwind. We can't produce enough power around the world to really supply what we need for the next several months to years. Therefore, I am looking very closely at some energy stocks, and it seems like they're holding up well comparatively to the rest of the market. That is one idea. Another idea is to just keep cash and wait until, you know, things go back to normal. Another idea is to look at tiny market cap companies that don't see enough trading to really see a crash on a day like this. They're not held by enough people. The volumes are quite thin, and so they haven't really moved at all. So they're not down, they're just pretty much flat. Two companies to look out for that actually make into this category are two uranium companies which fit into the energy theme, which is Strathmore Energy Plus, SUU, and also U308. They're both Canadian companies and they're very small market caps. Don't seem to be caring about the crash that's happening right now. Take it for what it's worth. It's not investment advice. I do own Strathmore, and I used to own U308, two interesting companies, but like I said, very small, thinly traded, so tread carefully. Or don't do anything. It's up to you. But we live in interesting times, and it's good to keep an eye out for the things that aren't falling as much as everything else. You might find some true gems in there. All right, I'll catch you later. Good investing. Happy speculating.